Hey folks, Time to Moto Man here, back at the garage. I'm going to do a quick adjustment on the Tiger 900 GT Pro. Today we're going to lower the brake lever just a little bit. You need a T30 Torx 10mm wrench and a 12mm wrench. If you can see it, my brake pedal bent, so it's slightly up. So I caught myself the other day riding the brake just for a little while, but it was enough to discolor the disc. I had it checked out, it didn't do any damage. If I just slightly move my foot, it's engaging that lever. I want to lower this a bit. We're removing these two screws to take this plate off, and then there's two nuts in the back that we need to adjust, and that will lower or raise your brake lever depending on what you want to do. Let's get started. Just going to be adjusting this bolt here. You want to loosen it first, and then the bolt underneath this piece of rubber, we'll tighten it clockwise to move the lever down. 12mm wrench, we'll loosen the bottom one first, and then we'll use a 10mm wrench on this one here. Tighten the bottom back up. Put these guys back on and we're done. That should do it. And that's it. There's not much to it. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye everybody.